Hi, you're watching The Savera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. So, stage is all set for the Ludhiana West by-poll to be held tomorrow on June 19 from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Today, earlier in the day, polling staff was provided with election material and they were dispatched to their respective polling booths amid proper security. So, this by-poll is being conducted after Aam Aadmi Party MLA Gurpreet Bassi Kogi died in accidental firing. Now there are 14 candidates in fray, including prominent candidates of major political parties. Rajya Sabha MP Sanjeev Arora is candidate of Aam Aadmi Party, Congress, former Cabinet Minister Bharat Bhushan Ashu, BJP's Jeevan Gupta, Shiromani Akali Dal's Advocate Paropkar Singh Kumman, Shiromani Akali Dal Amritsar's Navneet Kumar and National Lok Seva Party's Jatinder Kumar Sharma is contesting this by-poll. Besides, there are 8 independent candidates: Engineer Baldev Raj Katna, Paramjeet Singh Bharaj, Albert Dua, Rajesh Sharma, Neetu Renu, Pavandeep Singh and Gurdeep Singh Kalo, who are in the fray for the Ludhiana West Assembly seat. In past 2 weeks, city has witnessed intense campaigning from all the parties. Star campaigners reached the city and rallied for their respective candidates in Ludhiana West constituency, and major road shows were also witnessed. So every candidate and their party leaders have made every effort to convince voters to vote for them. During the campaigning, we have witnessed exchange of allegations and several promises were made by different candidates. Aam Aadmi Party listed number of development works done in past 3 years, and even Sanjeev Arora mentioned the works done by him as member Rajya Sabha, including Halwara Airport, development of ESI Hospital, Civil Hospital and several other initiatives taken for industrialists. Even Kejriwal and CM Maan during rally in Ludhiana have also promised to give cabinet rank to Sanjeev Arora. On other side, Congress had targeted the ruling party for doing nothing and even blamed the ruling party for handing over the control to outsiders. But the internal rift within the Congress party was also evident in the campaigning. Even in last 2 days when PPCC chief Amrinder Singh Rajawardene and leader of opposition Pratap Singh Bajwa held a press conference in Ludhiana, Ashu was missing from the event. And in the last road show of the party, Rajawardene, Bajwa and even district Congress president Sanjay Talwar skipped the event. Besides, BJP's union ministers were seen in Ludhiana campaigning and they seek votes on the basis of development done by central government in other states. And Shiromani Akali Dal targeted ruling party over increasing crime and drug menace. So it is a multi-cornered contest and this by-poll is being seen as the semi-finals of 2027 assembly elections. So every party has made their best efforts and now tomorrow let's see to whom voter will choose their representative. So there are total 1,75,469 voters in Ludhiana West constituency, including 90,088 male, 85,371 female and 10 third genders. The voting will take place across all polling stations on June 19 from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. and the result will be announced after the counting of votes on June 23. So several arrangements have been done by the district administration on the directions of ECI to ensure voters do not face any inconvenience and voting is conducted in peaceful and transparent manner. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to The Savera for more updates. Follow us both on Facebook and YouTube and also download our mobile application. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.